Hey, today's topic is, can you guess what it is? Well, it's the black hole. There are many mysteries around the world which no one has answer to, and one of them is the black hole. In this video we will cover, what is a black hole, how are they formed, do we have any threat for Sun from turning into a black hole, and many more. What is a black hole? A black hole is a region in space, where gravity is so strong that light cannot escape from it. The gravity in a black hole squeezes matter into a tiny space. Black holes can be big or small. According to National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA), black holes can be as small as just one atom. The largest of the black holes are called supermassive. Irrespective of size, black holes have an enormous mass. Even the smallest black hole could easily weigh as much as a mountain. The nearest supermassive black hole to the Earth is the Sagittarius A star located at the center of the Milky Way galaxy and has a mass about 4 million times the Sun. Another kind of black hole is the stellar. It has the mass of 20 times the Sun. There are many stellar black holes in our galaxy. The outermost boundary of a black hole is called event horizon. The event horizon pulls the light into it. Due to the lack of light, black holes appear black. Then comes the point of singularity. It is the center of the black hole. The gravity is at its maximum in the point of singularity. Scientists can't predict what happens exactly at the point of singularity because our basic laws of physics doesn't apply beyond event horizon. Hole forms. In a star there are two forces acting against each other, the inward force of gravity and the outward force. These two forces are perfectly balanced and hold the star together. The outward force of gravity is created by the very hot gases and radiation. But when the star runs out of the fuel, the hydrogen, there would be no hot gases and radiation, hence, no outward force. The inward force of gravity begins to shrink the star and the star begins to die. The shrinking of star causes the core to collapse and, this collapsing results in a huge explosion called supernova. Only a star of more than 20 times the size of the Sun can collapse to form. Question in us. Is the Sun a threat to the humanity? Well, the answer is no. As we said, the star needs to be at least 20 times the size of the Sun. Even if by any chance the Sun turns into a black hole, it would have the same mass as before after the explosion too, because its mass would remain the same but its density increases and it would be too small to pull planets into it, as the same gravitational force acts on the planets, and they keep orbiting the black hole. As light won't be present, photosynthesis can't be possible and thus life would end soon. Scientists say that the Sun may take a few million years before dying out of hydrogen. One of the most asked questions related to the black hole is, if black holes are black, then how do scientists know that they are there? As we know, light won't be present near the black hole. Scientists instead study the gravitational force influencing nearby asteroids, stars and planets. On the basis of this information we can estimate the size, mass and other information. In fact, the first photograph of black hole of M87 which was recently taken was taken with the help of the accretion disk of the black hole. Material, such as gas, dust and other stellar debris that has come close to a black hole but not quite fallen into it, forms a flattened band of spinning matter around the event horizon called the accretion disk. The great scientist, late Stephen Hawking, proved that the black holes are losing their energy in the form of radiation. In the honor of him, the radiation was named after him as Hawking radiation. The black holes are losing their energy at a very low speed. Scientists predicted that, for a stellar black hole to completely lose its energy, it may take billions of years.